guys, I'm going to start with a new series of videos, and it's going to be all sort of tutorials. So this is my first one. Make sure to let me know if you like the video, and if you have any ideas on what the next video could be of, comment below. And yeah, leave a thumbs up and subscribe. It's me, Saaraazh. In this video I'm going to show you how to change a motocross tire. You can use this technique on any tire actually, but I'm gonna do it on this tire. I'm not a professional or anything, but this is how I do it, so watch and enjoy. So you start with the sprocket side down, because it's way easier to hurt yourself if you have it upside. The first thing you do is to empty all the air from the tire. And the easiest way to do that is to remove this little thing. After you have emptied all the air from the tire, you loosen this nut. And then you loosen the bead lock. After you remove the nuts, you can try to push the rim off the... you can push the tire off the rim. And if you can't do it by hand, you can use a spoon. It's way easier to just get under and push it down all the way around the rim. Don't forget to do this on both sides, so you just turn it around and go all around the other side too. When you push the tire off the bead, you can start by putting in your tire irons in between the tire and the rim. Make sure to really get it under the tire edge, like so. And then you just start pushing the tire over. Put the tire iron under the disc to hold it still, like so. And then you just remove the second one and take a new grip under the tire. You can use your first spoon to get under the tire much easier by pushing it down, like so. I think it's under. And push it over. Take this one and do the same. Work your way all around the tire till the whole tire is off the rim. Like that. Then you remove the tire iron and tire up. By now you push the what is it called? The air thing out, so you can remove the tube from the tire. So you just need to push it in. Then you take the air tube out from the tire. So when the tube is out from the rim, you flip the tire to the other side. My sprocket is a bit loose, but that's not a big problem now. So on this side you start doing the same, lifting over the tire over the rim edge. So start by pushing in the tire irons under, and then just breaking it over, put it under the sprocket, and flip it over. Have it over, you just under the tire, you just break it over. And since I'm not that strong, I turn the tire so I can push it against me. Like so. Again, do the same thing. Now when you have the tire over the rim, just stand it up, push down the rim. So now you have a big gap in here between, and you can start by bending the tire over. Make sure to push down the lock, like so that's not in your way. And then you put the tire iron in between, just push it up. Sometimes you can just pull the you can just pull the rim out of the tire. Like so. Then you check your rim for any damages and make sure no spoke is pointing out. Yeah, this is looking quite good, so since this was just a video to show you guys how to do it, I'm gonna put it on the same tire again. So yeah. Then you take the tire again. Make sure you have it on the right direction. This one don't seem to have any. Nope. So you can put it on what side ever you want. Like so. Push on as much as you can by hand, and then you take your irons again and start working from one side and push it over like that. first one, take a new grip. And then just work it over. It's easier to take small steps now since this is kind of hard, at least for me. Put it on there, push it back, like so. Remove this one. Turn the tire, do the same thing again. Take a new grip. Push it over. Oh. Same thing again. Push it over. Oh. Like so. And then I think you can just push the last bit in. Where? Pushing. Now it's time to push the tube inside the tire. I've already started a little bit since this was quite hard. But yeah, just lift the tire up like this and push it in. Make sure that the air thing is by the hole so you can put it in later. Like so. Now you just need to put this one inside the hole. So I just need to work this one in. I'm just using the spoon to get it in by pushing. I'm trying to match the hole, like so. Just hold it there and take your nut and screw it on so you don't lose it. And just make it bigger, like so. Screw it in a bit. And now you can remove the spoon. Now it's time to push the last side of the tire inside the rim, and then you're ready to go. So yeah. Make sure you don't pinch the tube, because then you need to do this all over again and buy a new tube. So be careful. Like so. Just push it over. That. Take the middle one out and continue. And this one went off, so I need to redo that. Try to hold those two still. remove the middle one. That. Take a new grip. Push it over. Again. It's getting quite hard to the end, but just work small steps. In that way it's much easier. That, and hopefully the last one will go over by just pushing. Make sure that the tire is in between your bead locks on both sides. Like you can see here, it's not. So we need to fix this. Take the tire irons and put it under like this. Oops. Then I need to push this to back. And when it's over, you can push the bead lock in, and then you let go of the tire. And now we're good to go. Then you need to tighten all these knots. Now you need to fill the tire with air, so you just take it up to around 3 bar. Make sure that the tire pops on the sides of the rim, on both sides, and it has. Then you just need to take out some air, and then you're ready to go.